Welcome to My Projects dashboard. Here you have seamless access to all your project-related activities. Let's take a look at what's available under this section. Bids on projects. Quickly view the projects you've bid on and track their status. Awarded projects. Easily access the projects you've won to stay updated with your commitments. Ongoing projects. Manage your active work with ongoing projects at your fingertips. Completed projects. Review your success with the projects you've completed and gain insights from them. Canceled projects. Access and learn from the projects that didn't move forward. At the top of your dashboard, you'll notice a quick access menu bar. This allows you to instantly navigate to your active bids, awarded and ongoing projects, received invitations, and contests you participate in, all with just a single click. Stay on top of your projects and keep your productivity high with this streamlined navigation.